What's the meaning of conservatory? Conservatory. Conservatory.
Conservatory. Conservatory. A conservatory is a building or room with glass walls and roof, used for growing plants, as a sunroom, or as a greenhouse. It can also refer to a school or department within a university that focuses on music, dance, or theater training. The term conservatory comes from the Latin word conservator, which means keeper or preserver, and the idea behind it is to preserve, cultivate, and develop knowledge and skills in the arts or horticulture. Ultimately, conservatories provide spaces for learning and growth in various disciplines.